back to Edo Sakura's channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a bed in a tatami mat room. Today, look at me. I'm wearing yukata, so I will be like guest. Let's go! In Japan, their beds are in the closet. Let's check it. Ta-da! This is the pillow, the blanket, the bed sheet, and the mattress. Let's make it! Are you ready? Let's do the step 1, the mattress. Ta-da! Step 2, using the bed sheet and spread over the mattress. Now, let's fold it. Step 3, pillow. Step 4, the blanket. Finish! Oh, I forgot something. If you have any comments, please write down below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Good night.